Well, okay, so after lots of trial, error, playing, crashing, I've just decided I'm going to change the bottom here to just straight an M shape, 22 millimeters from the line here, and just I made these equal, these two equal, and so it's just basically an M shape now. I moved the circle up a little because of the two fillets are going to end up meeting if I don't. So I'm going to close this. I went ahead and padded it. So this 38.1 millimeter pad. And then I'm going to select the circle again, since I undid that part. Control click the other side, give that a 6.35 millimeter fillet, say OK. Then I'm going to click the M shape I just made. Spin around, control click the other side. Fillet that 12.7. Say OK. Now, in order to do the sides, what I'm going to do instead is copy the sketch, the original sketch, and say no, I don't want to copy any dependencies. I'm going to control V it. For right now, I'm going to make the fillet disappear. I'm going to hide it by hitting space. I'm going to bring this one up. I'm going to double click it to get into edit mode. And what I want to do is delete try to delete this line here. I'm trying to get the line, but it is selecting that. We don't need the circle, and we don't need any of the other straight lines here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, try to keep it so it's still on the same angle that it was. And extend these two out. You might want to zoom in. Try to make sure it's crossing in the same spot. And close that. Copy it. Say no again. Paste. Go back into this one. I'm going to delete the one side. Close. Go back into the other one. Delete the other side. Let's close. I'm going to rename these. Left side. Right side. I'm going to bring the fillet back up just so you can see where those sketches actually are on it. And then I'm going to create another sketch. I'm going to do it on the XY plane, say OK. Zoom in. And use a polyline. Make sure I'm on the axis. Hit escape twice. We're going to set this one here to 12.7. We're going to select both lines and say they're equal. We're going to take the regular arc. You want to make sure that you click and connect it to both ends of this line. Escape. Select that, and we're going to make the radius on that 12.7. Say OK. Now I've done a calculation, so I make sure that I have the right positioning. So I did the 12.7 divided by 2. That's half of what the slot was in it. And then added the length of the top, the 92.075. So I have the 98.425. I'm going to copy that. And we're going to select the corner, zoom out, select the line here, and that's where we're going to use that figure. So OK. So that constrains it so it's right on that edge there. We're going to close that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to part, and then I'm going to mirror the sketch, and I'm going to mirror it on the XZ plane. Say OK. That way I have the other sketch here. I don't have to redo the whole thing. So then what we're going to do is we're going to create a couple of sweeps. So I'm going to click the sweep. I'm going to say left side. Wait, no. I'm going to hit the mirror we just created, put it over here, create solid, and go over here, click the left side, and say OK. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the sketch 3 created, create a solid. But this time I'm going to say right side. Okay. And so I'm going to hide the fillet for the moment so you can see what we just did. I'm also going to hide the sketches. Oh, great. I may have to play with this sketch here, see if I can get that. It shouldn't be doing this. See where it's crossing the two? It shouldn't do that. So the sweep's kind of goofed up. I'm just hiding some of the lines. The right side looks like it worked right. Okay. So why did the left one do that? Are they not connected? There, that's better. Yeah, you don't want it crossing like that one was. Okay, so I should be able to hide the left side sweep, the sketch, and bring the fillet back up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make mirrors of the, of these two sweeps. We're going to take that, we're going to make a mirror on the YZ, I believe, plane, say OK, and same thing with this other one, where it's on the YZ plane, say OK. We're going to move the mirrors. And we're going to move them on the X, I believe. Negative 38.1. Okay, maybe it was supposed to be positive. Sorry. Yeah, okay. And then what we can do is take the fillet, control click the sweep, do a cut, take the cut, control click the other sweep, cut, take the cut, click the mirror sweep, cut. Oh, darn it. And I'm gonna have to go back in and play with one of them. Take the cut, take the other mirror, cut. And yeah, I gotta play with both of the. This here is a result of the sketches not being exactly correct. So I gotta go back into the left side sketch. I'm gonna bring it out a bit. Say close. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then back over to the right. Bring that out just a bit. Close. Okay. Now we have all our fillets completed. Yay! You don't know how many days I've had to mess with this. But now I have to figure out how to put the holes in for the holes for the top. I'm gonna go File, Recent Files. Let's go to the top. And then we want the leg holes. I'm going to copy that. No, I don't want to copy everything else. Control. I'm going to go back over here, paste those in. And then let's make them show up. Now, I'm going to close the top file. Look from the top. Now you notice that we're slightly out of alignment, right? What this is because this was made directly on the axes rather than where the location of the top was, we need to move this. And those are the other figures that I had in here. We want to move it, the half of its width. So 11.17, 117.475. We're going to copy that number and go back into FreeCAD, and we're going to move that on the y-axis. That amount, and then back over here we have the 25.4 minus the 39 equals 64.4. That is the positioning of it along the axis, the other, where the slot would be. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to move on the X that amount. Oops. I don't think I did that kind of well. That should be where the slot is. So I may have to now move the holes. Or maybe that was where it was supposed to move after I cut the holes. Sorry. I'm going to undo that. I'm gonna probably what I need to do is move it, move the holes half 38.1. But the leg holes themselves at this point can't be moved because of the way they attach sketches. But what I can do is go ahead and extrude those down. I'm going to say reversed, or well, no. Yeah, I think so. Reversed. And I said 13 if I remember right. Say okay. Yeah, well, wait a minute, tab. Make solid. Create solid selected. Okay, that's good. So okay. Now let me make sure that those are. Oops. Since they were created on the bottom, it shouldn't have been reversed, I guess. I keep forgetting. There. Okay. Now if I move those 38.1 divided by 2. Check that calc. Okay. Where'd it go? Huh. That's weird. Where did that go? I should still see them. Or did I accidentally hide them when I did that? let's hide the cut because that puzzles me. I should still be able to see them. I should see circles up here. Why don't I? Well, let's see what happens if I do cut. No, I don't see why. Why don't I see them? And why aren't they centered? Maybe I needed to go the full 38.1. No, that's too far. I apologize, folks. I don't. I am. Oh, okay. Maybe. Maybe this has to do with it being positioned at the half. This is an inch. I think I know. Okay. There we go. -25.4 is the 1 inch that it went in. Alright. I don't know why they were slower. There. Our holes are now on that. And now this should be placed. Placement should be this amount here, 64.4 on the X, so that it lines up with the slot that was in the cross part. Actually, I'm wondering, does it go that way or does it go the other way? It should probably go negative. We'll see. Okay, so that is the wood stool leg, and I'm going to try to figure out how to assemble everything. I was a little surprised to find out that assembly was in, I believe, 0.17, but it's not here anymore in 0.18. And also I have used to be able to go file, import, go documents, my FreeCAD videos. And you used to be able to select FreeCAD files and import them into other FreeCAD files. That's not on the list anymore. So I don't know what happened. So I may have to like copy and paste to get them all into a single file. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps some people. Bye bye.